Mindfulness and microdosing are the keys to a positive cannabis experience. Consider cannabis for whole body wellness and disease prevention. A 1-to-1 ratio of THC to CBD is ideal. When it comes to THC, remember, you can always take more, but you can't take less. CBD counters the effects of THC. So if you forget the less is more rule, be sure to have some high CBD products or strains on hand to counter those effects and level you out. There is a notable difference between smoking a cannabis joint and smoking a spliff, which is cannabis and tobacco mixed, which will give you a very full-on head and body high. So before you take that joint from a stranger, you better ask. Mixing cannabis and alcohol is not for beginners. If you're new to cannabis, spend a bit of time, weeks or months, getting to know your body's relationship with the plant before introducing alcohol into the mix. Consume cannabis completely sober when you're starting out and experimenting. That way you can dial in the cannabinoid and terpene profiles that best suit you. Pro tip, carry a dryer sheet in your bag or your purse to mask the smell of cannabis flower. And then if you find yourself in an inopportune location and you really need to consume, exhale through the dryer sheet. Or try one of my favorite products, the Sploofy. You exhale through it and it ghosts your smoke. Aged dried cannabis makes you sleepier than fresh bud. So instead of throwing it out, smoke it at bedtime. Remember, cannabis is a perishable plant, but it can last for a really long time if stored properly, namely in a glass jar in a cool, dark place. If you use a cannabis delivery service, remember, it's just like ordering takeout, so tip your driver.